Okay, so for you to be able to jump on this project, it's actually called BEAMABLE, right? Built on Solana. You will need to get a Solana wallet, right? So let me do a simple demo. The same way you install your MetaMask and all of that, that's the same way you install Sol Phantom wallet for Solana. So I'm going to pick any of the browser here that I don't have Phantom in. All right, so let's assume this is your Chrome browser or this is your phone. If you're using mobile phone, you can download the Solana Phantom wallet application, right? It's DApp enabled. What that means is that you can use the DApp browser inside of your Phantom wallet, the same way you can use the DApp browser in your MetaMask or inside your Haha wallet, right? So you can use the DApp browser there. So just understand what you need to do here. If you're using phone, you don't need to add it to your Chrome. This is very important. You need to download the application. If you're using that PC, you need to add it as an extension. You can see MetaMask here. You can see other wallets here. So what do? You just probably just go. You can go to Chrome Web Store, or you can just go Phantom. Okay, it's the Phantom wallet extension. If you use Google, make sure you're picking the search result from Chrome Web Store. So ideally, what I would have done is to go to chromewebstore.google.com. In the search bar there, I will now type Phantom wallet. Using Google, make sure that you're picking the search results from Chrome Web Store. All right. And then I can just click on this. And then this is what Phantom looks like. I'll just click on add. Click on add extension to download. Just click at here to get an update of what's happening. It's downloading here. Okay. Once it's completed, if you're using PC, always click on this is the extensions icon. You click on it and pin the application there so that you can really see it right here. Okay, so it's done downloading, right? Now you can see it here. This will go away if I close this guy. See, it goes away. But if you want to see it here as an application, just click on this guy and then pin it there. See on pin, now you have your Phantom. Remember I said if you're using phone, just download Phantom wallet as an application in your phone. So this guy says create new wallet. Already have a wallet. Whatever we're teaching you here, I expect that you shouldn't have any problem setting up any self-custodial wallet because it's the same model. They'll still give you seed phrase. They'll still give you this option: create new wallet, import existing wallet, whatever. Right? So tomorrow, if I'm doing anything that we have to install, maybe C wallet, you don't expect me to be installing Steel Wallet on the call. Go and install Steel Wallet. So, so when you download this create a new wallet means you want to create a new wallet. If you click on I already have a wallet, it means you already have a Phantom wallet somewhere that you want to import it using your secret phrase. Quickly, let's click on I already have a wallet. Let's see the option we're going to see. I already have a wallet. You can connect the wallet to your email that is linked to your maybe Google account or any of these things, or you can import using recovery phrase, which is the most predominant thing that we do, or using your private key. All right. So let's select import using recovery phrase. Let's see what happens. So see, is giving the option, okay, for a 12-word secret and recovery phrase. So in the order it was given to you, put the number one here. Let's say number one was cat, second one was cool, the other one was dollar, right? Don't put capital letter, just put the word like that, dollar, and then you fill it the same way it was given to you. That's if you already have a wallet, right? If what you have is 24 recovery phrase, you can click on 24. It will give you the option of 24. But that's not what we're doing here. Always select 12-word recovery phrase. So it makes the whole thing a lot more easier. So we want to create a new wallet. So we're going to go back here and do create new wallet very quickly. All right. Continue with email. I don't want to use email. I want to use create using seed phrase. Again, pay attention to what you're seeing on the screen. The option here is on email. I want to use seed phrase wallet. So I click on seed phrase wallet, and then ask me to set up a password. I'm going to set up a password very quickly. Okay, you need this wallet for the project you want to onboard on. After that, you want to click on I agree to terms and conditions for this button to be highlighted for you. So select this, click on continue. And then this is your 12-word recovery phrase. Okay. So if you hover on it, if you're using PC, to reveal itself. If you click on I have saved my recovery phrase, all right. If you click on this thing would come here for you to continue. Okay. So what you need to do here is to place your cursor here. Okay. Or you just tap on that I, and then you copy out this guy. Okay. Let me see if I can copy it. I can't copy it. I have to write it down. So expect me to like copy all of these things out. Okay. But once you copy it out, okay, let me just use this as a demo. Of course, I'm not using this word, that's just for teaching purposes. Okay, so I'll select this that I have saved my recovery phrase. I'll click on continue. They'll ask you to verify. Okay, yeah, there's a username thing that's happening on Solana. So you can set the username here. Let me do. Okay, so you set the username here. See, this is available. You click on continue. Oops. This happened before. Sometimes this username would just be jumping around. I have to click on try again. If it doesn't work, I'll just try to import the wallet. So this doesn't work. It's not working. So what I will do is to import this wallet using my secret recovery phrase, right? Let me see if it will save. Okay, the wallet actually created. So if you're trying to set up your username and it's misbehaving, just go ahead and log into your wallet with your password. You see, it worked for me. I didn't even know. I'm not Hunky Fox. Okay, so I'll set my username myself. Not tell me Hunky Fox. This is available. Set it up. Continue. This should work. So this one will work. Mostly when you're trying to set up your username when you're creating a wallet, it normally throws this error. But you can just skip it. Okay, let me close this thing. You can skip it and then go here, log in with the password you've set, and then you can now set your username. Okay. Now, see, Monad testnet is live. Enable Monad. If this thing pops up, enable Monad. You can decide not to. Okay. Now this is what your wallet will look like. This is receive. This is send, swap, whatever, buy and sell. Now this is the DApp function I'm telling you about. If you click here, okay, this thing here, this will show you NFTs that you have. This will show you the shortcut for swap. This will show you your history, okay, what you've done so far. This will take you to the DApp browser. This icon here, what's this called again? To take you here. So here I can visit any DApp that I want to visit from here. This is for people using phone. If you added this as an extension, you just visit the dApps you want to visit and connect wallet. If I want to go to nad.fund, for instance, I can go to nad.fund here. Okay. And then connect wallets. If I click on connect wallet, you see Phantom. But I click on connect my wallet. See, it's not only our wallet that you do that you use for Monad. Okay. All right, so we click on connect wallet. Then I'm able to do transactions on nad.fund using my wallet. So this is a self-custodial wallet. And you can use it to connect to any DApp. But if you're using phone, if you open your wallet app, go to this icon down below. I don't know if you're seeing this wallet app. Is anybody seeing my wallet?
Yes,
Yes,
I
we
can
are. Go
see.
ahead.
All right, so you click on this guy. If you're not seeing it, exit the call and join back. You click on this guy here. This is in that browser. So you can visit any and DApp here. Okay, you can visit any DApp here. All right, you can visit any DApp here. You can see Monad 101, then about Monad, all of that. You can see Jupiter. This is like their trading, the one of the most DEX trading app on Solana. So if I click on Jupiter, you see it's in the category of trading site. It's going to a browser here because I'm using PC. If you're using phone, it will open the website inside of your application. Why is it important? So that it's easy for you now to click on connect wallet, and then it will connect to your Phantom if you're using phone. If you're using PC, it can connect to your wallet because your wallet is an extension in this browser. I cannot come here, I cannot have my wallet here, self-consider wallet, and go and visit Monad on Edge. I don't have Phantom there. I click on connect. You don't connect. I'm giving an example. In your phone, these things are standalone applications. You can't talk to each other independently. So you want to understand what you're doing and why you're doing it. If you want to connect any task you're doing on your phone that you need to connect your self-consider wallet, you have to use the in-app DApp functionality in that application or wallet application to do the connection. So it's easy for you to connect. I'm off this topic. Now, back to the this thing that was supposed to do, the task that was supposed to do on Solana. This project, BEAMABLE. When I send this procedure in the group, just follow it strictly, right? So this is BEAMABLE. I want to send all of this onboarding link there. All of this is a written procedure. So you copy this. Again, if you're using phone, I'm saying this thing because I want to have, I may not be able to answer questions on this. If you're using phone, you open your browse, your Phantom wallet, click on the DApp browser here, paste this BEAMABLE site here, this thing, paste it here, and then load it. Okay? We're using phone, that's why we're not doing it like that. I mean, we're using PC, that's why we are doing it. We're opening it on the browser where we have the extension, the wallet extension installed. And so I'll go here, click and load, and then this take me to onboarding login, whatever. You're going to fill out your email here. Okay. Which email am I going to use? Don't use any email. Which email? Okay, let me just use okay, put your email here. All right, and click on verify. See what you're doing. You're verifying email, so it means that they're going to send you a link to verify your email. So when you click on this verify, you want to go to this email that you put here and click on the verification link. So I have that email somewhere here. All right. So you're going to click on the verification link, and then you'll be able to log in to your BEAMABLE account. And then every other thing you're going to do, I've written out my procedure. You follow it and do it. So go to inbox. This is BEAMABLE. If you're not seeing it, you can go to your spam or something. Go to spam. So click here, secure login to open on this page. Then you're going to go and log in. So you verify this email just by clicking that button. Because I don't want to log in on this thing here. I'm going to copy this thing or cut it and then go back to where we're doing the demo on. So this is where we need to log in, right? Say thank you, whatever, check your inbox to verify. So I'm going to paste this whatever here. And then it take me to log in, okay? So once you verified, you're not able to log in. Now the login is you need to connect your wallet, okay? See, that's why I'm telling you to join BEAMABLE network, enter your email address, blah, blah. I've done that, verify, I've done that. Why is this still taking me to verify? Onboarding, let me see. Here. Okay, so I'm supposed to see connect wallet. I don't know why it's taking me to. You see. Allow it to load. hub.beamable.network. Okay, copy. Why is my distance slowing down? This shouldn't take me to, it should take me to connect wallets. This thing is, see, this thing is tracking your the API. I mean your IP. Let me remove onboarding and go to login and see. Let's check you out. Okay, go to login. But once you click on that, oops, once you click on that, I don't want to use my, if I click, if I want to do it here, what I will need to do is now connect one of my phantom wallet. Of course, these are all test wallets, but so you click on connect and then you connect your wallet. Okay, connect your phantom wallet. When you connect wallet, it will open like this. When you connect wallet, it will open like this. Okay, to open like this, you need to click on get started here. All right, click on get started. And if I can log out from here, see, log out. Okay. Why is this thing always going back to the site is funny? Nobody this UI. It's not thinking right. Do I have to do this all the time? Oh. Okay, so to bring you somewhere here, you want to go to home or you click on get started. Okay, if you click on get started, all of these things are tax. Some of them are social tax, some of them are, if I click on get started right here, okay, first, guys, pay attention. Once click on go, connect your X. My X account is banned. So I'm not doing it. I have a new X account, but a new device. Now, if you click on go, it will take you to your X. You're supposed to log in. See connect X. Yeah. Click on connect X. What are you going to get from connecting your X? You're going to get 250 points. So you click on connect to take you to your X. So you need to link the BEAMABLE API to your X account. So I'm supposed to log in here and then authorize. Okay, you see, if you log in, you're going to see authorize. You authorize it. If you authorize it and come back here, you see that this thing has connected. You click on claim. Okay, so this is the first tax. And click on go back. Follow BEAMABLE. If you click on this, it take you straight to BEAMABLE. Click the link, take you to, of course, you should be logged in on your X, but you're able to see it from even without logging in. You need to go follow them and then come back again. Okay, so you're supposed to go here, follow them, all right, and see what they have. 458,000 followers. And scroll down and see what they are saying. Nobody gets into game development dreaming about server management, blah blah blah. So all this are whatever. So their X is pretty active. What's the most recent message? March 18, March 10, okay. March 24. GM movers. The noise of a lot, blah, blah, blah. Okay. I don't like the communication. No, it's not giving solid. But then, so you click here, follow claim point. This is 1,000 points. You go back with the dashing out points. But this one says you don't even need to connect. Once you click on that link, you're supposed to like come here and click. But then make sure you connect your wallet, because since they're trying to connect wallet here, they will track all these things later. So you can click here to get your points. So this one is completed. Claim points, claim reward. See, claim 1,000 points. You go back and do all of these tasks. Now, if you continue doing that, see, just read the instruction, do the task, read the instruction, do the task, join Telegram, join whatever, whatever. You claim all of those points, right? See the one I did now, claimed. Now, once you're done, okay, you can go to start, or you can go to this task here. All of these things are different tasks. So if I click on start here, okay, I'm on start already. So this task is under start, right? If I go to NFT, there's other task for NFT. Can mint free NFT here. Can complete the POG NFT quest. So click here to complete the quest. Free NFT allowed. We've partnered with Pork Digital to get your free NFT. Complete the quest and voucher code to receive the BEAMABLE Me Up commemorative NFT. The vouchers are first come, first serve, so get yours while you can. Limits 1 per user. Okay, so look at the task. Follow these guys on Twitter, join their Twitter account, and then again, the Twitter account joining team, we've done it, but let's try and see if we can do this task here. I don't think I have space in this other tweet. So ask me to go and verify phone number. Oh. Okay. How did you find out about Poggy, whatever, from social media, from play, from friend? I say from friend. And then what would you like to do in the community? Keep up with latest news, discuss with party members, get support, you can highlight everything. See, the process of this one is a little bit different. You just read and do. Okay. Read and agree to terms and conditions. Okay. I've read and I've agreed. I click on finish. All right. So clicked on finish, scroll down. So these guys did not require us to do verification. What do you want to do here? Okay, get started, gain access to the community channel, check out official pages, check whatever, read through. So I'm going to click on this and I click on verify. You can see start here, verify. Okay, let me see. This is the moment of truth. Right click on the server icon, privacy settings, direct message, whatever. Continue. All of these are stories, continue. Okay, this verification is a little bit different, right? So this one, they're using numbers, right? Now, what you need to do, the image contains 6 green numbers, right? Just type in this number that is here. So the first one is 3, just type 3. Second one is 4, type 4. Another one is 9, type 9. The next one is 6, type 6. Next one is 2, type 2. The last one is 5, type 5. That's it. Look at enter key, submit it. Now you can see now I have access to all of this channel right here. Okay, so I've joined this channel. If I want to communicate daily prices, whatever is the communication, rules, announcement, collection, game night, daily price, picks, members, members and arts, okay, whatever, okay, tickets, whatever, all sales. All right, so most of these channels are not even open. Daily price, say you don't have access to whatever, let's say. Okay, I need to complete I've just done the first one and get started. The second thing I need to do is to do what? So see guys, this is a little bit set up from what you're used to. Let's see why I see that I'm not able to get access to some of the server, although I can see them. But the get started stages, I've done 1/3. So I just came here, clicked on the next, it brought me back here. So I'll do the second one. Check official pages. So I just highlight this space. You see, I've done 2/3. Okay, well, I can give thumbs up here, whatever. And come back here again, click. Okay, and then the last one is check out our recent updates. Check, done. Now I'll have access to see if exploded, blah blah blah. I can now have access to chatting in the channels, announcement channel, daily prices, whatever, start all tags, and all of that. Gen chat. So if I go to Gen chat, see I can chat here. Okay. I'll say hola. Just got here. Chat. All right. Now we can go back to our task. This is just like a typical example of how to get verified in a channel, right? So we're done with this guy. Go back to our BEAMABLE. I like this guy's NFT anyway. So I've done this task, have I? Yes. So I need to click on this thing again and come back here. See if they give me 1,000 points. Should be able to see claim points here. If you're still not claimable after, please refresh the page, join whatever. Now is something you also get from reading. So refresh the page, and then you see your 1,000 points and claim. Okay. All right, completed. Claim points. You claim, guys. Claim these things. Claim these things. Anything that is points, claim it. In Web3 space is very funny. I say, oh, I don't know what this people are doing. It looks like share display. No problem. Just claim it. Claim it. Do all of your tax. Claim the points. Okay. So, because when they are doing their token, they will liquidate this point at a certain ratio. This point you have is what tells them what you're able to do and what you're not able to do. Okay. So you can go back to your pod. This is the task we're trying to do. So we've done the Discord quest. This guy, I can just click on this thing, click on link here, whether you follow them or not. You can come back here and refresh, then claim your point. But please follow them. I'm doing this thing because I don't have my Twitter logged in here and my Twitter is not up. I can't log in the new one on this thing because they'll still ban it. Okay, so we've done all these things. Go back to this quest. Let's see. So we've done the Twitter, we've done the Discord, retweets. I'm not retweeting anything. Just click on the link, come back to my whatever, refresh, claim the points. Please, you have to make sure you connect your Twitter. I'll still connect this Twitter in a new device and connect my Twitter because they might check it later and then they will take away the points. But just some of them will not check. But just do the right thing, okay? So you see, as you're doing it, you're accumulating your points right here, right? Now, what else? So if you finished here, let's see mint the NFT. Let me claim voucher. Go to claim voucher. Claim your voucher for BEAMABLE Me Up commemorative NFT. All vouchers have been. So these have been. People have claimed all of the vouchers. Ouch. Unable to claim. Try again. All vouchers claimed. So unable to get the NFT. That's a bummer. But then, okay, so you can make do with the points. The NFT minting stuff has finished. People have claimed everything. What happens most times is you can go to the secondary market and you see that people are trading that NFT. But don't bother about it. So you go back to your task. You can go back to home. Click on this BEAMABLE guide to take you back to home. Okay, now major update, BEAMABLE AIRDROP. So you can BEAMABLE network. You can click on this now and read. BEAMABLE server. I can click on this now and read. Let me see. Click. Takes you to where you can and just read this thing for fun of it. Doesn't add any points. Okay. What? Did I just close it? Oh my gosh. It's recently closed. All right. So back here. So you perform all of these tasks, and then there's an event here. These are the ones that will give you points. You can see there are points to this event. Join AIRDROP Web3 stream. If you join, you get 100 points. GDC recap Twitter space. You can click on it, get 100 points. Do all of these tasks. So these are small points. So to do it, you just click on event. Event have ended though. Oops. Ended. AIRDROP for 3 points. Is this like how many people that joined? 21,000 points. Oops. Join here. Let me just click on this link. Then I'll go back to my app, claim the point, and see if I can claim the points. Okay, most of these ones have ended, but just try and click on it and see if you can find a way to claim the point. But this is all about it. Endpoint, you can click on endpoint here. Let's see, quest daily. So if you go to endpoint, just explore this app when you get here. If I click on endpoint here, you can see quests, you can see daily. So there's a daily login point and something. Ooh, okay. So you can do check-in every day point, right? You can see day 1, day 2, day 3, whatever. Show more and all of that. Today is what? 31st. So these ones have passed. That's why it's faint. I click on down. This one should be available. Day 21. Claim this one. Day 22 is not up here. So day 22 will be tomorrow. You come back here and claim. Okay. So when you log in, after this, click on this quest, come down to this dailies, and then go to day 21, claim. 22 will be tomorrow, claim. And then go to quest. Let's see the remaining quest that we have. All right, on quest, it reveals more quests. Retweet, like, comments for feature decentralization, blah, blah, blah. Click on this thing, do the task. Click on this and do the task. There's all of these tasks here. Do all of it. What I don't like about this is that the point that they're giving out is so much, 500, 500, 500. Means that the token will, mass supply of that token will be crazy, or the liquidation value will be just funny. So the same thing, click on the link. You don't have to do anything actually. Come back here, refresh. But then if you have time to do it, again, please, when you're doing all of these tasks, don't go and be retweeting back to back. Anything that has to do with retweet, Twitter engagement, use your number 6. Give gap, okay? Don't do all of it. This one, you can, even if you do it or not, you can still claim your point. But what you can make sure to do is make sure you link your Twitter. But don't go and be retweeting back to back. Like that. Twitter will not see you as a bot and ban your account. Okay? So you can always come to endpoint and see quest and be doing it one after the other. I also click on the link here. See, I'm not doing any of these things. Come back, refresh, claim your points. Okay, I'm going to stop here. We have a gaming project on Siri. Siri is also a network that does good airdrop. That's probably put us through on it within the week on Siri. Okay, that one is a bit interesting. For that, download this wallet, this C wallet. This guy is seeing. You see, every of my browser has this wallet. Let me try and see if I can log in here. These are for test nets. You can see here. I'm able to log in here, right? So to download this thing, use the same. Okay. I think the security whatever is prevented.
I saw $20,000 there.
Calm down, sir. It's nothing. It's nothing.
So
when I think it's
wave down from the wilderness, Biko, wave down from the wilderness, Biko.
So you do the same way. Let's assume there's no extension here. So you can just open your browser if you're using PC. If you're using phone, download the application. See what it has an application. So if you're using PC, the same thing. Ma, can you hear me?
Yes, please. There's someone waiting to be admitted.
Okay. So Sue wallet. Why is this person? My God. Oh wow. Mr. Kingston. Squads. Okay. So you want to download the Sue wallet. All right, you can see all of these things are here. I'm trying to use this to do this example. Which one is that? Okay. So you can do Sue wallet extension if you're using for PC. Always download the one from Chrome. Download this, add it. If I click on it, it tell me remove because I already have it. Remove wallet. Your own, you see add. Just click on add, allow it to download. Once you download, click on this guy, pin it. Once you pin it, you set up your wallet, write down the secret phrase, and you're good to go. Do this setup before our next class. When we do our next class on Thursday. Or we can do it Wednesday, no, there's midweek. So we can do it Thursday. But what will happen is that I'll do a video on it, send to the group. You should be able to use the video and on board. On the C something, please, guys, don't play with this network, C Solana in particular. C and Solana, any project building on it that would give airdrop, participate in the test net. Usually the airdrops are good money. Okay. So do you have any question on the BEAMABLE stuff? BEAMABLE, of course, is on Solana, so you need your Phantom wallet for it. All right. So I'm gonna go back to the BEAMABLE thing. Why are we doing BEAMABLE again? Is he here? It's not here. Did I close the BEAMABLE stuff? I think it was. I think I'm doing it on this one. I don't even know why I'm doing the BEAMABLE again. Okay, it's here. So you come back to this endpoint and then just keep doing this task the way I'm doing it. Endpoint quest. So you don't have to even retreat anything. Okay, but then try if you can. Follow June stack. Well, is this Farcaster? Let me see. Follow June's Substack. Okay, this is Substack. Just click on it. I don't know what the hell. It just go here, come back here, refresh, claim your point. You don't need to follow, you don't need to do nothing. Refresh, claim your point. So do all of these tasks and accumulate all of your points. Now, guys, this BEAMABLE is on Solana. You don't want to play around with it. I keep saying this. Do these tasks. This one is everybody. You should by next class on Thursday, you should be able to have at least 10,000 points here. Because if you go to this endpoint and this quest, and then you're doing 500, 500 in all of these text, how many is this thing? Let's use one rule and count out. So I'm gonna do this. Okay. So you have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. That's 20. That'll be 28. So multiply 29 actually. So if you do 5 times 29, that would give you an idea. So it should be 29,000 divided by 2. That'll be the point you should get. Okay. So that would be like 14,500 or something like that. Okay, just on this thing, just on this one. So do all of it. Oh, sorry. Do all of the task here. This one will give you 14,000 something points, 14,500. If you now do the first task on the onboarding, I'll give you 1,000 points. So minimum you should have here with the daily login. Okay, you can see endpoint. There's a daily check here. The minimum you should have in the next class should be like minimum 20,000 points. These things are the cheapest way for new people to build your portfolio. Cheapest way to be a portfolio. There's an airdrop we receive within the week. I think I saw some people at Omidel or just and I mentioned it. The figures are crazy. but some of the things we'll not say in the group because you would feel left out. But these are things that we did before people joined. And most of these things will look like play. But if you want to be analytical in Web3, if you want to apply your sense in Web3, you not make any money. Once the project is legit, build it on top of a solid blockchain, and the blockchain tweets about the in most cases, do it by all means. Okay, do it by all means. The cloak something that we're doing. If you go to Cloak is built on Mirror chain. If you go to Mirror's website, I don't know how many of you have been doing their Cloak. I've not done my Cloak today. I've not been doing Cloak shall, but then don't play my own game. So if you log into your Cloak, for instance, I help people have questions on Cloak. If you're not able to log in, sign out, sign back in. Again, there's something to teach you on signing out and disconnecting your wallet. Disconnecting your wallet is not like when you disconnect from that disconnect button you're seeing there. Okay. For instance, if I want to disconnect my wallet if you click this place, it doesn't really mean that you disconnected your wallet. If you go here on MetaMask, okay. This MetaMask used to vex me. Extensions. This call is recorded, right? Yeah. Fresh. Okay. Then let's try. Good boy. Okay, so if you have any question, please, you might just put up your hand. We'll take questions. I always try to maintain this call at 1 hour. This is 1 hour, 30 minutes. We'll take questions very quickly, and then we'll call it a wrap. I'll upload this call on my YouTube channel and share the link. You can play it back and follow the step by step.
You did not upload the last.
I've written down. Yeah, I know. When we were in that class, this is the light in between. My Wi-Fi went off. So if I'm going to upload it to be half, but I think the bulk of the class was covered. So that's why I didn't want to upload it. That's on my YouTube channel. People that are not part of this class might be seeing it and they will not understand what happened. So I didn't want to upload it, but then I'll try. So these are the steps for this BEAMABLE on how to onboard yourself. So I'm going to paste it in the group. Okay. I want to show you how to disconnect wallets. Any application you connected to your MetaMask. But this is wasting my time. So, but then if you log in on your MetaMask, oh my gosh, this is annoying. Let me disconnect Rabbi and see if it will allow this guy. Rabbi. Turn off. So if you're using PC, you're seeing what I'm doing. Some people not still ask you, oh, my MetaMask is not logging in. But you're seeing the solution here. You don't have to say everything. If MetaMask is not logging in, click on the extensions, search for the application that is having issue. Can refresh it by turning it off and on, off and on, off and on. Just refresh it and finally leave it on. Come back to it, and then you should be able to open. This one is still doing like someone that I don't know what's happening with this guy. So after all these things, to open and put your password, when you log into your MetaMask, at the top right, you see something that looks like a donut. You click on it to show you, okay, here, let's see. Yeah.
So I think
on
Phantom. Okay.
Confirm what?
So on Phantom, do I continue with email or I should create a seed phrase wallet?
Use a seed phrase wallet. You can use email if you want, but use a seed phrase wallet. Okay.
Okay.
So here, you see, if I click on disconnect here, the user interface here tells me I'm disconnected from this wallet. But if you connect back and you're still having the same issue of signing, what you actually need to do is to disconnect it from your MetaMask. To disconnect from your MetaMask, you click on your MetaMask, any wallet you're using. And I click like the donuts, this thing here. So if you click on, see this thing here, if you don't have an updated MetaMask, it will be like a donut, but just circle. This blue, green stuff is showing that you're connected. Click on it. See disconnect here. Click on disconnect. And then disconnect. Okay. See, you've actually now disconnected from Cloak. You can see it automatically disconnected from here. So if you reconnect back, right? MetaMask. Then you approve.
Sorry, what if you're using?
Then you sign. Yeah, so if you're using Phantom, I'm going to show you. If you're using Phantom is a bit smart. Once you disconnect from it, your whatever, because if you're using Phantom, let me see if I can log into a Phantom wallet from here. So you, on your Cloak, please be doing all of these tasks that you've been asked to do. Do all of these tasks. Do it for your own good. So you can come here and interact. See, I had to log in because of people saying they have issues. What I was asking ChatGPT on Cloak. So you can decide to use a different model, but I like to use this guy. Talk to me about, I don't want to go Elon. Renewable energy. Let me display energy like this. Okay, so here, you want to do this, right? And all of that. And then chat, whatever. So why I'm doing this is show you how to disconnect your wallet and reconnect your wallet. So for higher wallets, it's a bit different. So you don't have those disconnects from here. So once you disconnect from the browser you have, it will disconnect. Okay. Any question? Let's take just 5 questions very quickly, and then we're done with this class. Which will go ahead, please.
Okay. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Okay, so my question is on that SoundMesh. I connected the first email, then they didn't send me the verification code that night. It was later in the morning that I saw the verification code. So when I clicked on it, they tell me the link has expired. So I don't know. And since then, I have been trying to submit the same email and get verification code, but I'm not getting anything. So I don't know whether to change the email or I should just leave it like that. But for the public key of my GitHub, it has been approved on the Discord.
Yeah, once the public key is approved, you're good, right? For that email stuff, I think the API on that thing is broken. It happens like that to everybody. But again, while you're joining that Discord and all of these things for you to communicate, ask some of these questions. Again, if you're new to Web3, there's under no circumstances would you send your private key or your secret recovery phrase to anybody. If they want, let them call you on video chat and you're seeing their face and it's Vitalik Buterin that is calling you. Do not send your secret phrase. Do not send your wallet. Your private key. I'm saying this because when you start chatting in some of these places, you see people that will DM me and start saying rubbish. Please, for your own good. Do not send your secret recovery phrase. Do not send your private key. So you can come here and raise that in as a topic. Okay, you can chat about the email wait list. Okay, please, will I get this kind of email when I use my mail for early access? Someone is asking about this. Let's see if there's any feedback on this. Yeah, so yesterday I was moved onto the same step 8 again. Is on soundness? Okay, yeah. So people are complaining about running the whatever. Let me see. Yeah, so I said that use the same guide on the pinned post on the channel. I will start this and that. So this was talking about. So you can come to this place and talk about the email thing. I'm really tired. I don't want to start that conversation. Guys, the guide on how to generate soundness public key and whatever. Okay. All right, guys. So you
Hello,
want
hello.
once you have your, who is this person? I'm speaking and you're saying hello, hello. Once you have um your your public, I mean your secret recovery phrase, not the public key. Public key is like a wallet. Once you have your secret, because your secret at the end of the day will be tied to your wallet. It's just like using the mnemonic phrase to import a wallet. The same wallet address is the same thing you import. But what gives you that access and the ownership is the recovery phrase. So this recovery phrase that you wrote out is what, because when you get to that point, you see warning that, you know, if you misplace this recovery phrase, you're not able to get it back. And this is the only guarantee that you participate in the test net. So that recovery phrase is more important than the public key you're submitting. If you submit the public key, they're using it to short whitelist you for test net, because when you import that um, secret phrase that they gave you, it will be the same with your public key. Okay. So once you do that, you're fine. For the email, whatever, you can go to that place and have the conversation. But I think that is just for sending information purposes. What is actually the whitelisting is the secret recovery phrase that you get. Okay. Ugo, were you the person that asked this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can now drop your hand. Okay. Please, if you have a question, just raise your hand. Okay. Juliet, go ahead with your question. Please, very fast, yeah.
Good evening. My question is on haha. How do we mint the domain?
There's a video in the group. Go and watch that video. You see how to mint domain. There's a video I did on how to mint domain is there. Are you using phone?
Yes, listen.
So have you tried minting domain and it didn't work?
Yes, I do click on it, but nothing happens.
Okay. I mean, I'm trying to understand why you asked the question. So that could be the reason. So for people using phone, a lot of people have complained about trying to load the domain, whatever, from using their phone and it's not working. That if you're using her application, it might not work. So what you need to do, again, when you watch this video, is for you to learn. Import that wallet, okay, in your Mrs. browser. Mrs. browser will give you a desktop interface. If you use that in your Mrs. browser, it will work. Importing the wallet, see what you will do. Go to, your Haha wallet, like so. Go to this place, this three dot. Okay, you're not seeing this. Let me open it. So if you're on your Haha wallet like this, click on this dot. Click on reveal seed phrase. Okay. Click on reveal seed phrase. Copy it. If you click on reveal seed phrase, whatever, you put your password or code, your passcode. I don't want to reveal my seed phrase for you. Select this guy that I will not share my, see, everyone is telling the same thing. I will not share my seed phrase with anyone, including Haha, including them. Click on continue. Mark out distance, click on continue. They'll show you your secret phrase. Copy that secret phrase. Now go to your Mrs. browser. The way I taught you on how to add extension. Your Mrs. browser, open like a browser there, type Haha wallet. Right? If you opens, click on the one from Google Chrome Web Store. If you're not logged in on your Chrome website, ask you to log in your Google account there. Come back and repeat the same process. Click on the one on Chrome Web Store. What else? What is I going to do? If you click on it and if you click on it and it opens the page, click the dot there, select desktop mode so that will be on desktop mode. Okay. Once it's on desktop mode, you click on add to desktop to add there, and then you have your Haha wallet in there. Open another interface. Go to nat.phone or nat.domains. I think that's it. Nat.domains yet. You go to nat.domains, click on connect wallet. Because it's now reading it as the browser. This could be very heavy for in-app interaction. Okay, so that's why it's happening like that. But if you add it in your misses, you should be able to mint. So what I'll do this week, I'll try and see if I can do it. All these things are promises. If I have time, I'll do it. Otherwise, we might try to do it in our next call. But from all of the videos you watched on that channel, you should be able to add Mrs. Browse, please. Okay, what's the next question? Who is next? Let me see. Success, just put up your hand now. Uche.
No, my hand was on since.
Okay.
Good evening.
I know.
I'm fine. I'm not fine, Sha.
It should be fine. I tried reaching you the other day. You're not taking calls. I did
Hello,
call.
sir. Please allow people in the group.
The call has ended. A lot of people in the group. And this call, there's no need. Call has ended already. We should go ahead.
No, I'm just telling you. That's all to remind you.
To remind me what? Let me check my message. Let me see. I said for us to have a call by 7. You said okay.
Yes, but you fixed our own call again.
It's true. It's true. It's
As
true.
in the group yesterday and that day as well.
So there is public holiday tomorrow, right?
Yes.
Powerful. So you're home tomorrow. Let's have a call tomorrow, okay?
Okay. It's all time.
Tell me the time I works for you on my WhatsApp. Anytime that works for you, works for me.
All right. Okay. Thank you.
All right, welcome. It's Emmanuel.
Okay, thank you very much. My question is just a very simple one. You keep when you're talking about the project on that we're gonna do on Phantom, you keep saying about linking our X accounts. I didn't really get that. Are you meaning a registered X or linking our X account to the Phantom? I didn't get that.
No, the project that you're connected, so that would be the BEAMABLE project, okay? That is built
Yeah.
for so you can use the mic because there's a feedback coming from you. So on this project, right, part of the onboarding process is that you connect a wallet. You connect not just a wallet, your Phantom wallet. So if you have your Phantom wallet in the mobile application, remember I said use the browser there, which is this last. I just want logging out. This last icon here. This link that will send to you, copy it and paste in this search bar. Load it. Then click on it will take you to the onboarding page. Click on connect wallet. First of all, it will give you the email thing. So put your email, go to your email and click on verify. Copy the link in that email, the email verification page. And then come here. Let's see. One of the things I'll try to do is see if I can open my Gmail. This is a typical browser. You can open anything here. But to know what if anything I put here will direct me to the browser in like my browser here because this is linked to a browser. But in your own browser, in fact, let me try it on my phone, this Phantom.
Importance of receipts. Importance of receipts.
Is that one? Meet your mic, sir. Are you doing cloak? Google, Gmail. Okay, so you can visit any site which like because this is on PC, it will take me to whatever the browser. See, it's not opening for me. But in your app, okay, if you go to this thing and just type Gmail here, gmail.com, to open Gmail like a normal browser for you. So you log into your Gmail here. Okay, you log into your Gmail here. The Gmail is open here. You can now like go to that link and open that link so that when you're clicking on verification, it will open the login page inside this browser, like inside this your app for you. Okay, so that you're able to log in. That's all you need to do for connecting your wallet. Then in the onboarding page, if you click on start, the first tag that will come out is for you to link your X account. Click on link X account and then connect your X account to it. That's all. If you have any time of doing it, you should understand that. Okay, well, the next question. I think if you don't have any question, you can exit the call. We're done just to take questions here. Success, please ask your question very quickly, okay? Mr. Man, you can drop your hand, okay? Success, unmute yourself. Okay, emoji, please go ahead.
Good evening, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, talk very fast, okay?
So, how do I connect the wallet using phone? like phantom wallets. I'm using phone, sir.
I just explained it now. I don't have time for this repetition. I just explained it now. So what you need to do after this call, I'll upload this link. Go and watch the video. I just explained it now. I don't know how to go back on it. Emoji, go ahead, please.
Okay, thank you very much for the teaching. But my head is even like I'm really saturated.
I needed
Okay,
to
my
talk
question.
before these questions, right? I think you can stop presenting.
So my question is the soundness. You know, I told you that think I said it on the group that